The super sports concept car, the GT by Citroën, is a product of the collaboration between Citroën and Gran Turismo. The car made a huge splash at its debut at the 2008 Paris Auto Salon, and it catapulted the car's designer, Takumi Yamamoto, into the limelight. The head-turning concept car was the product of numerous trips between Japan and France by both Citroën and Gran Turismo personnel. Here, the car has been transformed from a show car to a running model called the GT by Citroën Road Car, thanks to the magic of Gran Turismo. The major difference is that the real-life concept was powered by an electric motor while the virtual car possesses a high-output V8 mounted amidships. The robotic arm-like body style of the concept car has been retained, and the vents on the body do their part in dissipating engine heat, keeping the V8 cool. Also, replacing the heavy, high-capacity battery with a small gasoline tank has reduced the weight of the sports car, making the vehicle's performance much more potent. The GT by Citroën also retained its rigid nature, especially at the rear where the rear cowl that completely covers the engine compartment provides added handling stability.